Metro Police complaint, I'm not aware. You see, it's a Tegwini Metro matter, which I'm not aware of for now. Even our councillors have not shared any information if they knew that there was an issue. The only thing which, as the IFP, we are commending is the introduction of the new police in the metro to fight crime, especially during the festive season. And I'm aware that even the SAPS today will be introducing new police. The addition of the human capital in the fight against crime, in fact, is what we commend as the IFP, because we want to see a safer province in order for even investors to be able to invest in the province.